5:58 in the morning. This is LU2DVI/6 in Argentina, 75 meters. Unfortunately, there's noise coming through. I have no idea what that is. Earlier there was a guy had a hard time getting this last suffix here, and then the couple other people jumped in there and got it. I went off and got the camera, and he's kind of in the mud now. Okay, Juan, this is what we hear at Stateside in Mississippi. 6 a.m. Central Standard Time. So we can hear you between the buzzing noise. If I go off,
won the championship, so I'm kind of proud of that.
it's just right at 3800. There's this on and off crap. It's almost like a beacon. In lower sideband. Doesn't look like it's an AM carrier. So you only get the call sign between when there's no noise. Originally, when he was on 10 minutes ago, this wasn't so prominent. It's just gotten louder and louder. If I tune around, See, if you could go ahead and go up a little higher, you wouldn't pick that up. It's right at 3,800. There it is, 8 kHz down. Yeah, it's nice and clear there. You can barely hear the noise there. It's 6 kHz down. "75 meters, 6 in the morning. Icom 730. Got a 75-foot wire outside. It was a tuner.
Sonic is out over there in Texas must be affecting the way the signal gets out some too. Maybe it's getting into the Bobby, there you go, Al.
Now I tuned this yesterday up,
Oh boy, what happened to Peter?
adjusted the frequency so I don't have to hit the RIT button here.
He's probably on the next cubicle.
That's what makes it difficult in ham radio. You get some local noise or something like this, and you're trying to pick a guy's call sign out, and you pick these two, and then to get this last part here with the /H, this was real difficult to pick up. Guys had to relay in what the call sign was. It's one of the reasons you should give your call sign sometimes quickly or slow, and maybe through chance you'll get through the noise.
I've noticed that it's, well, it's the only thing. Yeah, I'm surprised. My noise level is only about an F3. Maybe a little bit more, but it's really quiet. I'm quite amazed. Well, I'm happy for you.
That's 7 kHz down. Let's see if you can find the noise down here.
I may be wrong. All I know is I remember seeing it, showing those men all of the
There it is, right at 3,800 noise. And sometimes having two antennas where you can switch back and forth can be that the one is got a different polarization. Sometimes it doesn't make that much difference at all.